Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best 5. Today I'm going to show you top 5 world's best honeymoon destinations. I hope you like it guys. Please watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Number 5. Maldives. The Maldives is one of the most stunning tropical countries on the globe, making it a perfect honeymoon destination. Made up of 26 ring-shaped atolls with hundreds of coral islands, it's an Indian Ocean mecca for anyone who adores insanely clear blue water, white sandy beaches, palm trees and sunshine. The Maldives are known as the tropical paradise for reasons such as its beauty. You can try delicious food in Maldives. Fried yams, masrosi, fish curry, gulha, mashuni, Maldivian live lobster, saga bondivai, reef fish cutlets, biskemia and many more. Rihakura and fish curry are the staple for which are made in most households in Maldives. Male is the best island in Maldives for honeymoon for all those luxury seeker couples. Best experiences. Take a dip in Male's protected ocean pool called the Artificial Beach. Enjoy seaside lunch, indulge in snorkeling and underwater scooter riding and take island hopping trips to nearby island. This tropical country has separated islands and islands are surrounded by its own lagoon. Each island has pure white sandy beaches. The sea covers 99% of Maldives and it is where you can see beautiful fishes and corals. Number 4. Lucerne and Paris. Lucerne lies at the north end of Lake Lucerne, where the river Reuss flows out of the lake. Paris, France has a reputation for being where countless love stories started, and it's one of the most romantic cities in the world to propose. Culture vultures will find what they are looking for here, including art by Picasso and Klee, and contemporary dance and drama. The region beats all year round to the rhythm of its music festivals. Lucerne, with its well-preserved medieval core, elegant historic buildings and genial atmosphere, is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Switzerland. Paris is the perfect place for honeymoon couples. Croissants, cheap yet unforgettable. Start your day like true Parisian and get yourself and all butter croissants for breakfast. Paris is also well known for its markets where you can find a selection of delicious meats and cheeses to eat on a picnic. Paris is monumental both due to its size but also its wealth of architectural heritage. The symbol of capital city and doubtless its best known monument is the unique Eiffel Tower and Iron Lady that offers visitors an unsurpassed view. Number 3. Bali. Bali is an Indonesian island known for its forested volcanic mountains, iconic rice paddles, beaches and coral reefs. Bali is indeed your perfect honeymoon destination. All the above combined make Bali one of the world's best honeymoon destinations, and there is something for everyone to be found in Bali. Balinese culture is a mix of Balinese Hindu, Buddhist religion and Balinese customs. It is perhaps most known for its dance, drama and sculpture. Glorious mountainous areas with lush greenery, scenic lakes, gorgeous waterfalls, iconic rice fields, flower gardens, gushing sacred rivers and secret canyons all make up the island's landscape. Beyond stunning beaches and magical temples, Bali has virtually every kind of natural beauty. Balinese cuisine is a cuisine tradition of Balinese people from the volcanic island of Bali, using a variety of spices blended with the fresh vegetables, meat and fish. Bali's white beaches are favorite for family holidays. There are a variety of water sports available such as banana boats, parasailing or jet skiing, swimming or plain sunbathing. Most well known among Bali's beaches is Kota. Along the stretch are an array of hotels, restaurants, shops and cafes. The island is also known for its Wang Kulit or shadow play theatre. Number 2. Phuket and Krabi. Krabi. Both Phuket and Krabi are beautiful island destinations of Thailand. Phuket is more famous for its nightlife and entertainment, while Krabi is quieter and more peaceful in comparison to Phuket. When it comes to honeymoon destination in Thailand, Phuket and Krabi are hands down the first choice for most couples. They have a dreamy combination of milky white sand, azure blue waters and gorgeous private pool villas. Food in Krabi is a mixture of local and international cuisine. From authentic Thai flavors to Indian, Mexican and Italian influences, Krabi is a foodie's paradise. The seafood is exceptional and the spicy Thai curries have just the right amount of spice to dazzle your taste buds. Phuket is like Disneyland for honeymooners. No matter what your interests are, it has something in store for you. The bustling island lures millions of visitors every year with its beaches, resorts, nightlife and adventures. While both have all the elements to make for an ideal romantic getaway, each has a distinctive flavor and merits a visit in its own right. Number 1. Mauritius. Mauritius, an Indian Ocean island nation, is known for its beaches, lagoons and reefs. Mauritius is an excellent destination for honeymoon. The tropical paradise has everything from top tourist attractions to exciting activities to make your honeymoon a memorable affair. A duration of 5 to 6 days is enough to see and experience all that Mauritius has to offer. The main tourist attraction in Port Louis include the Cordon Waterfront, Port Louis Bazaar Police Barracks, the Mauritian Chinatown and the Old Port Louis Theatre. The capital has also 3 museums, which are the Blue Penny Museum, the Mauritius Natural History Museum and the Mauritius Stamp Museum. Mauritius is famous for the dodo, an extinct flightless bird the size of a swan. The national dish of Mauritius that locals and travelers alike go gaga over. Dhol puri is a yellow split pea pancake that is grilled on a tawa and filled with curry grospos that is called bean curry. Rightly called as a paradise island, the gorgeous sight of Mauritius unveils with powdery white sands on ethereal beaches. You can enjoy an unparalleled time in your honeymoon experiencing world-famous water sports, trendy bars, restaurants and clubs and various other things to do on Mauritius honeymoon.